I think for all grades 4 and up to participate in the PSA tagline that will be used for our promotional video that will be presented later. Okay? After more than 50 entries submitted by the students, we have already created and found the new tagline for PSA. Okay, and may I call on the principal and Sir Nino? Bridge of Cultures, Home to Dreamers. And the two students who won these are, let's give a hand to Mark Prince Gamba and Erin Kirsten Chua.
For my week, we merged the idea of these two students to come up with this tagline. Now, Chong Sayan, our tagline is and that is the main idea of our promotional video that will be shown right here, right now.
Take on this new tagline is that it really suits the goal of PSA, which is to connect the cultures Filipino and Chinese, and along with English as well, because this school has been standing since 1989, and for years and years, it has standing through a lot of hardships and challenges.
We chose the words, especially bridge, of course, to emphasize the connection that will be built through the school. And being home to dreamers makes it applicable for all kinds of students. Just having the will to study will be enough to go through with it.
Simply bringing closer, connecting people. Job there, knowledge there, bringing closer. Here in my experience, I've been exposed to many different cultures. They should.
Hi. Okay. What do you feel after watching the video? It's a very short video. This is the trend right now. Not the advertisement videos are not videos showing the school, the activities, but more on interviews of teachers, parents, and students of the school. Ito daw yung fat ngayon, yung trend ngayon. And of course, we would like to thank first Channy Matupinaw, the producer and the director of this short film. And also special thanks to Sir Nino. He spent 4 weeks of his time running after Chandy, joining together with Chandy to make this video possible. Thank you, Sir Jai, for coming up with the contest for the tagline, and also the other the teacher, Ma'am Bernadette de la Cuesta, the parent, Mr. Alex C., and all the students, especially Jessica, Mohammed, Mark Biggs, Brielle, Johan, and also, although sobrang ano lang yung role si Kristen, and the parents who supported this one. And also thank you to Ma'am Dita Sairo. Ma'am Dita Sairo, we sat together, Sir Nino, I, and Sir Jai, and Ma'am Dita, we sat together for how many? More than 10 sessions, no? Just to come up with this video. Maybe you feel that it is very short, but you listen to the message that is being imparted by our students on how they love the school, how they feel the school has already impacted their lives, okay? And hopefully this video, when Channy Matupinaw showed snippets of this video through his own, I think, webpage, no? It already gathered more than 1,000 views. 1 million na ba? 1 million view in a span of a few days. Oh, ganun kadami. Maybe you share this video with your friends and all your relatives and neighbors. This is a very good promotional video for our school. And of course, we have to really borrow time from our Flix ex-Hiraya culminating activity to have the launching of this video. We're so happy that the Flix is also indeed very successful. I really sat through all the short film earlier. I want to do justice in giving recognition to the winners later. Para sunod, ang magaling ito, napanood ko to, no? Right? You cannot watch the awarding without watching the short film earlier. Okay? Thank you to the English department teachers and coordinators and also the Filipino department coordinator and teachers. And to all the students, galing-galing talaga nyo. You can be future directors and also actors and actors in our local filmmaking industry. Congratulations, everybody's a winner. For me, everybody's a winner already. Thank you so much, and thank you also to the parents who are here. Thank you.
Join our Facebook page, and I request our students and our parents to kindly share our promotional video because for the school year 2026-2027, we are opening our school application and school admission so that we can gather more students or more enrollees for the next school year. So I gather everyone to please help us, the school, the teachers, the students, and the parents to help us. Let's work together so that for the next school year, we can have more students here at Chongse Academy. Thank you, everyone.
The one who gives the hero the tools to succeed. The one who sees the Hiraya before it even manifests.
Exactly. Before we move on to the trophies, we want to hear from those who have seen how luminary our special awardee is. We've invited 3 students to share what that guidance has meant for them. Let's give them a round of applause.
Who tells us to be visionary. You've always been the director's cut of your lives in the version where we are better, stronger, and more capable. Thank you for never giving up on our rough drafts.
Leadership isn't about being in the spotlight. It's about making sure the spotlight hits the right people. You are the producer who makes the impossible possible. Your door is always open, and your heart is even wider. You are the silent strength behind every student's success story.
But today, we're taking the spotlight and turning it towards you. It's your birthday, and while we have songs and cheers, we wanted to give you something that reflects your impact. For being our North Star and our constant inspiration, we are beyond honored to present you with the Legacy Luminary Award, Mrs. Margarita Chua Gutierrez.
daming message siya. Thank you everybody. Thank you to all our administrators, my co-administrators and teachers. I've been here for 20 years. Exactly 20 years this year. And I know, and God knows, how much fulfillment and love that this school has given me. Thank you for all the love and also the warmth that I've been receiving, not only from our administrators, teachers, but especially from our students and even the parents. Alam kong love na love niyo ako. The same way I love you all, and these 20 years of my life has been the most fulfilling years of my life. I will always treasure this forever. Hopefully, we can still do everything that we want to do for our school. We have achieved, imagine, PAYAC certification, PCNC accreditation, and right now, PASCO accreditation in a span of less than 5 years. Congratulations, this is not because of us, it's because of everybody. We did this because we have been working as a grateful team. Thank you so much. Mabuhay ang Chose Academy.
The first awardee that we will be presenting is the winner of the QA quiz, the TSA Faculty Pop Culture Showdown that happened last week, okay, in the school ADR. So, almost all of the departments were there to participate, and only one department won that contest. Who do you think won the QA quiz? Is it department? Is it English department? Filipino department? Math department? Science department? Complementary department? The librarian? No one And last but not the least, our winners for Create Quiz, let's give a hand to Social Studies Department, led by Manjota, Sophie Jantan, and Sheila Magayo. Grades 4 to 6, the doorway to Hiraya. So, for the past weeks, if you pass through the grades 4 to 6 rooms, you will see there at the back door, they're designed doors that are based on the stories they've chosen for their door decoration. And may I ask Ma'am Isina to present the winners for the doorway competition. We will start with the second runner-up.
Okay, for the second runner-up, for the doorway to Hiraya, is it's grade 5. Congratulations!
Yes, Sarah, congratulations to the grade 5. May I ask the advisor and all the grade 5 students to get their award. Let's give a hand to the grade 5
So waiting for
students.
one, Ma'am Shala, the
Ma'am
advisor,
Shala.
and also the
And the grade 5, let the grade 5 students.
and the first runner-up for doorway to Hiraya is grade 4.
Salamat natin. But congratulations to the second Young Visionary Award.
Lights and logic.
They say you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but a poster is a film's first handshake. It's a visual poem designed to capture a universe in one glance. For the artwork that made us stop and stare, the nominees are none other than In the Middle of Science,
The editor is heartbeat in the silence. For the invisible art of the perfect cut, the nominees are
Drafted Got Dogs by grade 8. In the Middle of Silence by grade 9. Mula by...
And the winner is Sama-Sama from grade 11.
People say don't judge a book by its cover, but when designing this poster, behind with all the symbolism, the colors, the fonts, and all of the visuals, I really hope that with our poster, you will be excited to watch our film. And now being recognized as the best poster, I'm very happy, and on behalf of the grade 11 class, best editing. Sorry, best film editing pala guys. So, ito na pala. I believe that editing a film is not easy. For all the editors of these films, you truly, I believe that you spend countless hours editing to shape the story frame by frame, and thank you for this award. Thank you.
Sound is an invisible thread that pulls on our emotions. It's the swell of a violin or the echo of a footstep that makes a story real. For the sonic landscapes that move us, the nominees are
Drafted Got Dogs by grade 8. In the Middle of Silence by grade 9. Mula by grade 6. Spy from grade 12.
to the effort of the camera people and the actors and everyone who made the scenes, captured the scenes, because they ensure that their environment is silent, therefore having a very clear voice. And in terms of the musical score, I just searched.
In the beginning, there was only the Word. The blueprint of human emotion start on the white page. For the stories that spoke to our souls before a single camera roll, the nominees are
Best screenplays are Drafted Got Dogs.
Of the best screenplay goes to Sama Sama.
Dust and Shadows. The cinematographer is the eye through which we see the world. For the most breathtaking frames of the year, the nominees are Sama Sama, Sama-Sama, the visuals were never just decoration. All of it means something. There's a symbolism from every framings and angles to the changes of colors. It means something, and every choice made to the film was intentional. And thank you for appreciating the cinematography of this film, Sama-Sama. Thank you.
Inakala, ikaw pala ang makakasama.
this is what magic happens. For the most cohesive and powerful group performance, the nominees are, and the winner is Sama Sama.
Thank you for this award. Our efforts were not in vain, and I hope that everyone enjoyed our performance.
Congratulations, Sama Sama, for winning Best
For
Ensemble.
the man who stepped into the frame and made it unforgettable, here are the nominees.
Actor is James Andrew.
I'm speechless right now, and I don't believe this. I don't believe I win a award. Congrats to the others too for being nominated. Thank you.
Congrats.
A great story is built on strong foundation. For the woman who left an indelible mark on her heart in every seat she graced, the nominees are
Thank you everyone for this award. And I hope that others have the chance to win.
Congratulations, Garcia, for winning Best Supporting Actress.
To inhabit another soul is a brave act of vulnerability.
For the woman who became the very heartbeat of her film, the nominees for Best Actress are
And the winner is Stacey Valentine.
Hindi ko po magagawa ito kundi dahil sa director po namin, sa scriptwriters po namin na nagbigay po ng magandang daan para po sa akin. Again, hindi ko po ito magagawa kundi dahil sa mga classmates ko. Ayun lang po. Thank you, Grade 12! Thank you po!
Congratulations.
A lead actor carries the weight of the world on his shoulders. For the man who guided us through the highest peaks and darkest valleys of his story, the nominees for Best Actor are
Ito lang naman ang kailangan ko rin. Iniwala na sa akin kung papunta. But the moment I publish that book, it will be under glory. Isa lang King Lawrence. Isa lang. So, there's a dialogue with Martin, and he was Hispanics. I mean, Hispanics control the world. Hispanics manipulate people, past, present, future, to do what he was, and he has a draft on the whole story, but he publishes every chapter. Where am I? Why am I here? He was just here. Oh, I guess you're someone again. We already did. This is the depth of your endless and cold-hearted rain. It's better to live like that than run in this hell like that shoe mode. Perfect. Oh, I agree with you, alright? But this is my life. It's my decision, not yours. Even if I'm not sure. You had this conversation before. And I've already told you. Look, Tignan niyo nga yung mga mukha niyo. Para kayong buy one take two na nga siopaw. So, pilis ako kasi. I'll expose them. Lahat ng ginawa nila at yung mga iligan na ginawa nila. Lahat yun, i-expose ko. Ano? Hindi nga ako sinabi kung tigilan niyo yung mga pinagagawa niyo. Tapos ganyan, nahihirapan kayo. I'm sure, because I know how they work. Robert, hindi ako nakapagay. Siguro din yung gusto sa mga alam ko sa inyo yun, responsibility na yan. At sa tingin nyo ba tama ang mga ginawa niyo? Mabuti kang matawag dito kaysa malang na mali yung mga ginagawa niya. Mga pulupo.
You better come to your crack. Glorified me. But hindi na bakit? Tanga, talo tayo ng pangalan natin.
Alam na ito, ginagawa mo kasi. Ayaw ko sino pa taas na sustain mo sarili mo. That was a generation ago.
Wala. Ginagawa naman tayo.
Pwede ng lolo ko. Louis Caesar was a good man. Siya ang munang nagbigay sa akin ng trabaho. He would be very mad to see his granddaughter. Alam ko yung mga kasalanan niya ba't nasira itong kumpanya niya. His loss for legacy. His fear of failures. He made a deal with the devil, and the cycle started with him. And you, Cordelia, just proved that.
Ben ruined. When have you started to show concern, huh? Brother, huh? You've raised me and secured me. Spending every effort to save all the money that is mine. Then, huh? You have the audacity to reprimand me for everything I do. I take just 3 years, huh? No. Where's the academic achievement, hardworking, proud self, na piling ko hindi nibigay sa akin dalawa-dalawa? What a silly joke for the very word you call yourself.
Agent Marco reporting.
Well, Agent Marco, in one word, describe your experience.
Spike.
And the winner for the best actor is Mark Briggs Gamba.
Thank you for the award po. all I just want to say is, it would not be possible without the help of the writers, the ones that created the story, and of course, the actors that were with me in order to create the film for the actual scene. Thank you.
Hello, students. Grade 5 student, Jason Chua.
For one thing, but our art of the audience is another. This award is for the film that resonated most with our very own peers. Ladies and gentlemen, the student choice winner is In the Middle of Silence.
Thank you po sa grade 4 to 6 for believing in us, giving us the Student Choice Award. And it helped and it motivated us to do better. And maybe next time,
The captain of the ship, the visionary who held the line when things got tough. For the most masterful direction and clear artistic vision, the nominees are.
For this award. So, in this film, I was not just the director, but also the one who filmed the whole film and who edited the film. But I want to say that a good director is as good as the team they have. So I want to thank all the classmates here, because it is you who make this award possible for me. And thank you for trusting me and letting me be your director. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for this award.
Exceptional storytelling and technical prowess, standing tall among the giants. The second best picture is In the Middle of Silence. Congratulations, great actor.
How's they doing, guys? Thank you po. Thank you.
Yeah, very hard. Message from Chanel. Thank you. Picture muna po.
Camera, and the overall collaboration for the movie. Thank you.
Pressure. How many are vying for this award? How many more? 4, no, sir? 4 or 5. Okay, 4 grade levels are vying for this award. Okay, patagalin pa natin. Hindi na. Ayaw na. Sige. Pagbibigyan na natin. Okay. Ay, teka. Hindi pa pala may babasahin pa. Best Picture. And now, the highest honor. This film is a testament to what happens when imagination meets discipline. It is the story that defined Flix and Siraya 2026. The winner of Best Picture is... Sino? Hindi ko din alam eh. Ako muna ako. Is... Sama Sama!
Salamat sa una pagmahal sa first film namin. And syempre, thank you sa mga kasama ka. Yun lang. Thank you guys.
Sa ating mga pelikula ay hindi kailangan manatili sa ating mga screen. Kaya naman, mula sa kabuuan ng creation, humayo kayo